What's up guys, we're back to the game again. Actually, yeah, it's been a long time I haven't played the Among Us. That was like a few months ago from last year. What? Please. Ay putang ina. Crewmate. Your role is tracker. Ah, okay, tracker. So I can what? How do you use this? What? How do you use this? Okay, looking at. Okay. Lang. Yung ano, yung lights. Okay. Yung nag-report. Gago, si ano to? Sino te? Sino ulit to? Si Tan. Si Tan yan. Wait lang, what the fuck? Ano yung ginagawa ko? Yung killer, bruh. Yung. Ang ina mo, akala mo, tatakas kang hayop ka. You know? Oxygen depleted. Oh shit, 30 seconds na lang. Fuck. No. Fuck. Tang ina, hirap ng control nito, hayop. 0 366. Tama, ayun. Alright, okay. We're good. What the fuck? What? Tangina, di ko alam yung ano yung Tan. Ito ba? Sigma. Okay, si Sigma. Okay. Alright, Sigma. If not, you. Oh, pag hindi si Sigma to, si Pink iboboto ko. Tangina, nagtutulungan. Wala na. It's too confusing. Shut the fuck up, Sigma. Sino ba sige, okay. Ay, bubo. Okay, sige. Pink ka. Let's see. Pag hindi to si Pink, putang ina mo, hayop ka. Fucking, aray ko. Okay, kinagat ako ng langgam. Fuck. Okay. Just do your task and don't kill me, please. I wanna live. Okay. Just don't kill me, bruh. Sabotage ng ano, comms. What? Wait lang. Comms ba ito? Okay. Okay, done. Alright, so we're gonna fix this fucking wire again. Okay. Saan pa ba? Cafeteria, empty garbage. Empty garbage. Ano na naman? Ano daw? To height. Ano to height? Anong to height? Ano? Sigma yan. Kasi imposible na ano like pag nung binuto natin si Pink, which is aka Dina, tang ina naman pinili yung Sarah. Bobo. So ano na lang ba yung empty garbage? Okay, wait. That's 2 tasks. Yung sa ano ba? Ano? Okay, wait lang. Ang ina naman tong naina na to, nagre-emergency. What? The fuck just happened? Gag.